Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Friday, January 25th, 2019. Hard to believe it's the last Friday of January. Hopefully everyone is staying bundled up and staying warm. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got page 234, numbers 1 through 12. That's Are You Ready to Move On? Remember, you need to have problems for your multiplication problems, numbers 1 through 8. You do not have to have work 9 through 12. A lot of you were able to get that finished in class. If you had to retake the units of measurement retake, your corrections for first, third, and fourth period were due before lunch today. If you did not get those turned in, you'll have a lunch detention next week. If you were making corrections, that means you still have yet to pass it. It's your fourth attempt at it. You will have at least 4 more attempts to hit the required 36 out of 40 correct. In science, there is no homework this weekend. Social studies, there is no homework, although you can be working on your trading cards, which we started in class today. Those are due Tuesday. You'll have in class next week to work on them, but it wouldn't be a bad idea to get some of that taken care of this weekend. In language arts, there is no homework, and in literature, there's no homework. However, you can always be reading, as if you've checked out your grades in literature. A lot of you may notice that they're very low right now. That is because your AR points are put into the system right now, and those are due by the time that we hit March 15th. So you're down to a little about 6 weeks to get that done. Do not waste your time on that. Also, a reminder, we did discuss blizzard bags today. We've used 4 calamity days. Once we use 1 more, that's our 5th freebie, starting with day 6. That is a calamity day that will require blizzard bags. And blizzard bags will be posted on Google Classroom for your classes, and students will have 10 school days to make those up. We suggest that you make sure that you do not fall behind with this. And this is something that we are getting out there to make sure that every student is well aware of this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teachers. That's it for today. Have a great weekend.